Funny place where it's made its whole itself, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Like,
I don't know why it's gone there.
just managed to split on that corner. And there's that moment in every plumber's life there when you're cutting something and you
The shit is a ball
yeah,
off.
yeah. It's off, yeah. It is off. Hold on, one sec.
Hold on,
Let's just have that second out for just in case someone
let's
gets
just double
wet.
check.
Yeah. But I've always said you're not a good plumber till you get wet.
No.
Definitely not.
Right, there you go. That's that
Okay.
now. I'll leave that there.
Yes. That's that old bit.
Tell you what, we're going to have to cut again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's soldered off there. There's solder on there, so the seal's not going.
Yeah.
So we'll have to put that a bit closer.
I'm surprised I didn't see you with any different cutters.
It's 28.
There's 28s.
Yeah.
So you didn't have you tried the electric cutters?
No, I'm going next purchase.
Next purchase, yeah? Yeah, I've heard a lot of talk about it.
I have.
And I've heard that people saying that the amount of charges is worth it because honestly you don't really cut that much, but you know when you do,
It's got, yeah, it makes it easy.
yeah. Because you'd have to have a nice set of cutters to be doing all this type of work. Because I used to fit booster pumps in
Alright.
on cold water systems for like say like banks and like
Alright, yeah.
just commercial buildings basically. And we used to do them like in a day. But some of the pumps were like we done some for some estates in where was we? We was in Thamesmead.
Oh, yeah.
Thamesmead estate. We done all of them down there. Some massive pumps we put down there. And we done all this in press as well. Because obviously the pipe work, once you do something like this, for someone who's doing soldering, it's just like I don't even bring my gas gun up my house anymore. There's no point. Do you know why? The gas gun costs too much.
Yeah. It ain't cheap.
Exactly. 60 quid for a bottle, innit?
Yeah. Alright. Get in there.
Is there a certain amount of guarantees that you get out of the machine?
Yeah, 40,000. 40,000 presses,
yeah?
then you have to send it off for calibration.
Okay, cool.
I think calibration's about 200 quid.
Yeah.
That calibrates how much the jaws can press.
Okay. That's the new press.
Right.
So, beast is out.
Yep.
How lightweight is that machine compared to the others?
Not very. It's quite heavy because it's a battery powered one.
Yeah.
That's it, finished.
Sweet.
Bit of water on, we'll see what happens.
That is it. Good job.
No gas, no hot permit, no nothing.
No, nothing. Just smiles.
There you go, that's the weight of it. It's
Yeah.
quite pretty, you see it yourself.
Yeah. It is quite heavy, isn't it?
But that will do up to 106 mil.
That's good though. That's what's needed. I need that in a bit of kit now. That's gonna be my that's gonna be on my Christmas list.
Yeah, you get with the kit,
Yeah.
you get 15, fit 22, but I had to buy the 28 and the 35 extra, and they're about £300, £400 a set. So it makes it quite expensive, but if
Yeah,
you
it
see
does.
how quickly I just done that,
Yeah.
then it's the labour time, isn't it?
Of course, yeah.
No hot work permits.
No hot works permit, straight in.
Yeah, bosh. And you don't have to make sure the water's turned off and dried. You can,
right.
you can,
Do it
you're
straight
going to put a
on.
valve on, leave the valve open, crimp it, close the valve, job done.
Yeah. It's 100%, man. I don't get that for my Christmas presents, yeah? Christmas people. If anyone wants to donate me one, let me know.